of you, the panelists represent the different travel destinations and facilities and etc. Offered to local tourists. Is your focus mainly on local tourism? Do you not target international market? Yes, please.
Mr. Cordero, this is Jane Andres from La Jolla.
Yes.
Okay, to answer your
full video.
thank you so much. To answer your question, sir, we are not only targeting the local market, but we are also targeting the international market. In fact, last summer, we went to Taiwan. So, since Taiwan is an emerging market versus China, so we went to Taiwan and we partnered with travel agencies based in Taiwan. And we also connected with the travel agency of Taiwan here also in Manila. So from then on, we are having groups spending overnight in our resort.
So this is like a traveling expo, no?
We did it by ourselves, parang DIY lang. So we went to Taiwan since based on the data from the DOT, it's an emerging market. So we went there instead of China. So next year, since Korea is the #1 foreign traveler in the Philippines, we wanted to go to Korea next year.
Impact of travel. Of course, we are 9 years already in this industry. Of course, we're helping, of course, the startup companies, also the newly newly open travel agencies, hotels, and resorts. Of course, that's a big impact in our tourism then. And also, of course, we're promoting our local destinations, like, of course, continuously helping them promote, especially one in Boracay, in Palawan, Bohol, and now, of course, some parts of Siargao.
I noticed that
Medyo, alam niyo naman, because of the ongoing sa country natin. Of course, mahirap, pero we're still doing fine naman po. I don't know with our exhibitors. Maybe they can answer that also.
Yes, maybe we can talk about hotel accommodation, bookings, etc. Inbound, outbound, etc.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm in the hotel. So to answer your question, sir, we are very supportive.
Sinira yung hotel sa
Well, to speak for the Manila Hotel and the Manila Prince Hotel, our sister property, we have captured the international market. So I think we're doing fine with regards to accommodations for rooms and of course our dining outlets at the hotel for both properties.
Star Photos.
Alan Sancon po.
Sancon.
Yeah, Stars Photo. As a traveler also, kasi parang I always go to ng travel expo to get a discount sa mga agencies, ganyan, di ba? Kasi parang napansin namin dun sa mga travel expo, parang halos pareho lang kapag nagpunta ka online, parang ganun. Ano yung may offer ng World Travel Expo para mas ma-make sure na pupunta sila to have a good travel, a cheap travel, di ba? Kasi parang as we compare dun sa ibang mga agency, may mga 50% off din naman, may mga 20%. Especially siguro yung Royal Caribbean, parang hindi lahat nakaka-afford because ang mahal, di ba? Pero ano yung may offer na mga pupunta doon para mabigyan sila ng magandang budget para sa travel nila?
Bale, kay Travel Meet po kasi, we offer po, lalo na sa mga expo, we offer discount, pero dun lang po, during the expo, lang po yung discount na yun. Then, other information naman po, like yung mga nakakausap namin through online, and yung mga walk-in clients namin sa mga offices. Yun po, na-offeran din po sila ng discount, but mas malaki pong discount when it comes to expo po.
Siguro I just want to ask yung Royal Caribbean also, di ba? Parang hindi lahat nakaka-afford to have. Maraming gustong mag-cruise, pero hindi lahat nakakapag-travel because ang mahal-mahal. Ano po yung may offer ng Royal Caribbean sa mga press? Hindi pala sa press. Hindi po, sa mga traveler. Thank you.
Okay. So, thank you for that question. Actually, I'm very excited to answer that. So, for Royal Caribbean, I'd like to build on what TravelMate said. So, we have exciting offers in store for you. You can only get them during the World Travel Expo. And at the same time, what I really want to share is that cruising is now up for grabs. Meaning, kaya abot kamay na siya. So, before, probably, when you think of cruising, it's very expensive, luxurious. But what I really, even I tried my first cruising, you just need to understand what's in store for you. Imagine you have your hotel already, bringing you to different places. And imagine you have your 24-hour food inside the ship. Be it buffet, fine dining, a pizza place, a cafe, name it all. So I personally, I'm very, very excited for you, sir, and for everyone to experience, really. It's a lifetime of a bucket list in your lifetime. So it's about time already to try cruising. It's now, you can get it on easily. So you just need to understand what's in store. It's very comparable to a land tour. So I'm sure our travel partners and our travel friends can already attest to it. So I'm very excited and thank you for that question.
Thank you, sir.
Good travel.
To feature our products. Ma'am Jen mentioned that it's a face-to-face, parang face-to-face yung nangyayari sa mga customers mo. So you feel the customers, you know the customers, you will understand what they need, what they want, their pain points. So it's also something that for us to understand clearly what the customers want. So it's still, online, it's there. Nandiyan na yan eh. Hindi natin kakalabanin yan. But it's up to us also on how to build our brands, our products, and make sure that we give them what they need and what they want.
Kasi wala yan yung
So
from
that's helping
Philippines
us
to ano eh.
to market.
Punta mo na sa ibang bansa. Parang wala ba silang gano'n from Philippines para
World Trade Expo in the past years. If not, perhaps first-timers, what do you expect from joining the World Trade Expo?
Yeah. Other than having a client, we want to connect more to different travel agency, hotels, tour operator that yung ano talaga nag-push to talaga na may market to Philippines as was one of the best travel destination in the world. So talagang nag-hoping kami na makakilala ng maraming travel agencies and connect with them to better understand the market since bago pa lang kami, not only me but other other panelists here na talagang malaman namin kung ano ba talaga yung needs, ano ba yung pinaka-idea talaga kung bakit sila gusto mag-travel, bakit sila gusto mag-explore. So,
venue space, kasi it's very new, no? So we want also na makapunta dito yung mga visitors natin dito sa mismong venue namin. So, yun nga, very convenient dito sa space. Pati yung mga restrooms nila and other facilities is very friendly. Yun nga, here yung pag-travel din dito. So we're encouraging you, our media partners, to help us promote this event and also the venue. No complimentary passes for the media. Pero for those who are interested, kasi normally pag sa ating mga Pilipino, pag sinabi mong free entrance or free admission, mas lalo walang pumupunta. Kasi walang nag-play sa isip nila na parang, ano yun, free. So parang walang excitement. So naglalagay din kami At saka yun nga, para ma-distinguish din yung mga visitors natin.
80.
Kung ang
80 pesos.
free natin is 80 pesos
80
lang naman
pesos.
for walk-in and 50 pesos for
online
online registrant.
So they could register beforehand online 50 pesos, walk in 80 pesos.
That's 40 pesos.
40, okay. Travel Expo, is it in the number of foot traffic, participating brands? How do we measure
Aside from that, sa participating brands, of course, ang masasabi namin success kami kung yung mga exhibitors namin na nag-join is nag-ROI sila, na return on investment nila or more. So that's why we're expecting more visitors para, of course, maraming mag-visit sa kanila, mag-book ng mga services nila, and then mag-book ng packages.
Yeah, curious, okay, any of the...
So there are really NRT packages or prices. Yes, they're one of the best, but always remember the definition. It's non-refundable, but one of the best offers for NRT. If you're sure, book it as a NRT.